Hello, it's Rajiv again, and I created this car racing game. So to start, you have to press the space bar to start, and you have to do right and left to move. And you have to dodge the cars. If the green or blue car hits you, you lose. So you have to keep on dodging the cars so they don't hit you. See, I hit that green car, so I have to click to restart. And I spawn died. So yeah, I'm the black car and I have to dodge all those other cars. So yeah, that's how you do this. And that's how you play the car racing game. So I hope you have a good day. Bye. And make sure to like and subscribe to my video. And check out the rest of my YouTube channel.